Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Apple iPhone charging cable, cigarette lighter charging cable from the company Syncwire. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I just like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So let's open it up. Shouldn't be too much to show you with this one. Boy, they've got it sealed. Let's take a look at everything we get. User guide. So this is an Apple MFI Certified charging cable. It's basically got a built-in lightning cable in the coil. Feels nice. Coil is nice and thick. Cord, I should say. You'll notice you've got the iPhone charging cable. And then you've also got an extra USB port. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.